Local news for Tuesday the 17th of September. $657,000 in funding has been received from Eastern and Central Community Trust in the year ended March 31, 2017. 60 organisations in Wairarapa have benefited, with Chair Jeff Milner saying at the annual public meeting held recently in Carterton, "We are so heartened by the work done in our community group by our community groups in our region. They are the glue that keeps us together, whether it's through the arts, sports, education or environmental endeavours. We feel privileged to be able to work alongside them." A project jointly led by GNS Science and the Cawthorn Institute to understand the current and historic health of 380 New Zealand lakes has received $12 million over 5 years from the government's Endeavour Fund. The scientists will engage with regional and central government and iwi and hapu to collectively sample and interpret data from the 380 lakes. This will be used by kaitiaki and other stakeholders to undertake assessments of lake health and prioritise protection and mitigation strategies. The collaborative program with Matana Consulting and the likes of Kahununiki Wairarapa also involves international scientists from Australia, the USA, Canada and the United Kingdom. And in sports, nearly 100 teams enjoyed 2 days of football last weekend at the Douglas Villa Junior Football Tournaments, hailed a massive success. Masterton teams were runners-up in the 13th and 14th grades. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.